Let's continue taking a look at words and expressions part of lesson 4, page 95 of your textbook. Particle man. If you use man after a noun, that means this noun only. So like if you say 저만 한국 사람이에요. So instead of 은는, if you use 만, then I'm the only one who is Korean. 저만 한국 사람이에요. 그리고요. So if you use 만 after 에, so 저는 학교에만 가요. So I only go to school. I'm not going to go any other places. 뭐 that meaning 그래요. 그다음에 에서. 에서 means at certain place, do something. So 에서 is used after a place noun. Like 저는 도서관에서 공부해요. So I study at the library. We'll talk about more details later. Adverb 같이. So you read this 같이 이렇게 읽어요. So you read this way. 같이. It means together. 저는 친구하고 같이 점심을 먹어요. So I eat lunch together with my friend. So together, 같이. Verbs and adjectives. 아르바이트를 하다, or you can simply say 아르바이트 하다. 그러면 to do a part-time job. 그렇죠? 아르바이트 means part-time job in Korean. It is a German word, but in Korean context, 아르바이트 means a part-time job. 일을 하다 or 일하다. 일을 하다, 일하다, to work. 그렇죠. 저는 커피숍에서 일해요. So I work at the coffee shop. 그렇죠. 예. 끝나다. Something is over. 수업이 언제 끝나요? So when is the class over? 끝나다. So event. The subject should be an event. Event is over. To be over. 공부하다. To study. You can also say 공부를 하다. That's possible too. 공부하다, 공부를 하다, to study. 자, let's practice how to read numbers in Korean. We have two different sets of number system. So one is Sino-Korean number. So we learned this before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 20, 20. 30, 그럼 뭐예요? What's 30? 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100 is 100. 그렇죠, 100. 자, 그 다음에 이제 we have another way of counting in Korea. Generally, when you count something, you use this native Korean number. 그래요? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. 그렇죠? 그럼 what is 11? 열 하나, 열둘, 열셋, 열넷, 열다섯, 열여섯, 열일곱, 열여덟, 열아홉, and 20 is 스물. 그래요? 스물. And 21, 스물 하나. 22, 스물둘. It goes this way. When you count something, sometimes we need to use counters. We will talk more about counters below here. Like it's a one person, 그러면 사람 한 명. 명 is a counter for people, and before a counter, these four numbers change their forms. Like 하나 changes into 한 명, one person, 두 명, 세 명, 네 명, and 스무 명. So please remember these four. 예, 한, 두, 세, 네, 스무. And other than this, other words are used in the same way before a counter. And 100 is back. You simply use back for native Korean number too. And 1000, 천. 그다음에 10,000, 만. And counters, we will talk about this more detail in the grammar part. When you count people, you use this counter 명. And when you count animals, you need this counter 마리. 마리. 개 한 마리. One dog. 그래요. When you count books, you need this counter 권. 권. And when you count 그냥 just general things, 그러면 you can use 개. So if you don't know exact counter for something, then simply use 개. For person and animal, please use 명 and 말이 respectively. But for other stuff, then you can simply use 개 if you don't know the counter for that specific item. 그 다음에 시간, 그럼 1시간 1 hour, 2시간 2 hours, 3시간 3 hours. So for counting duration of time, we use this counter 시간. And 시, 1시, 1 o'clock, 2시, 2 o'clock. So we will learn how to read time later. But remember, for this point of time, we use this 시. 그렇죠? 그다음에 달. 한 달, 두 달, 세 달, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months 그래요. So for counting duration of months, then we use this counter 달. And for counting one's age, we use 살. So if you are 20 years old, 그러면 20살. If you are 21 years old, 21살. So you will need 살 for talking about your age. 돈 means money. Won, Korean currency is won 그래요. won. 그 다음에 American currency 달러, 그래서 달러. But in Korean, sometimes we use this 불 to refer to dollar too. So 달러 or 불. So $1 그러면 1달러 or 1불. 그렇죠. 은행 means bank. How do you ask price for something? 이거 얼마예요? 이거 means this one. 이거 얼마예요? How much is this one? 1,000원이에요. So 1,000원. 1,000원 is a little less than $1. And take a look at these expressions. 오늘이 무슨 요일이에요? 오늘은 무슨 요일이에요? 오늘이 무슨 요일이에요? 그러면 what day is it today? 그러면은 the answer should be 무슨 요일이야? 그래서 Monday 그러면 월요일, Tuesday 화요일, 그다음에 Wednesday 수요일, Thursday 목요일, Friday 금요일, 그다음에 Saturday 토요일, Sunday 일요일. 그렇죠? So for answering this question, you can simply replace this part, 무슨 part with the specific the day of the week. 그래서 월, 화, 수, 목, 금, 토, 일. So please remember 월, 화, 수, 목, 금, 토, 일. 오늘이 며칠이에요? What's the date of today? 그렇죠? What's the date of today? 지금 몇 시예요? What time is it now? 지금 means now. 지금 몇 시예요? So we'll practice how to answer these questions more later. 자, 여러분 감사합니다.